Good morning, all. First of all, thank you for participating in this uh, webinar. So we will start about ZKBioSecurity. So what exactly the biosecurity is? So biosecurity is all-in-one web-based application. So with the help of this software, you can able to control different modules, which we are going to talk about in this webinar session. So what exactly is biosecurity? As I told, biosecurity is all-in-one web-based application in which you can get the intelligent integrated security management. You can do management of the persons, which basically for the mainstream demand. With the help of this software, you will give a solution for the project base. So with the software, we have a different modules, like access modules will be there, is a access personal module will be there. Then we have a access control, we have time attendance, elevator control, video surveillance, visitor management, parking management, petrol guard, consumption, face kiosk, intelligent, and hotel management. So in this software, you will get all the modules. That's why we called it a all-in-one solution. So you just need to host the software, and then with the help of this software, you can manage all the things. So what exactly the biosecurity is? So biosecurity is a subsystem which supports a single unit deployment, and it can be used for flexible development as well. So with the help of this software, you can achieve for a project solutions, and for access purpose also you can achieve this solution. So this software will help you to integrate the capability of the users, and with the help of this you can use this in various industries, and you can achieve intelligent security management also. So this software, as we are going towards the moving sessions, you will come to know what exactly the software is all about. Right now we will talk about the web-based platform for the biosecurity. So biosecurity is a web-based application where you need to host the application on the server, and from the server you can access the software in the local premises, or through public IP you can access the software. So there will be a platform, one single platform, in which you will find the common things, like there will be a device, then personal information and the card, and the system information will be common information. Uh, with the help of this common platform, you can achieve the third party system, like you can integrate with CRM and ERP systems. The third party API, web service API, is also available. You can integrate this biosecurity software with the help of Active Directory services of my Windows. So with the help of this, we can integrate the software with third-party application. And on the base of a single platform, what you can achieve, like there will be a multiple applications as well. So you will get the access module will be, you can access, then personal, then elevator you can access, visitors you can access, video linkage, guard patrol for guard patrolling system. uh, you can do it for hotel management. We can do parking, consumption, and other modules as well, we can control with the help of this software. So as the biosecurity is new architecture overview, so what exactly we have done the changes, like the software will be used for subsystem for a single deployment, where you want to deploy the software for single premises, that also you can use it. Or if you want to use it for a multi premises or distributor system, that also we can achieve with the help of this biosecurity software. And this software is having a functionality of user data visualization, which analyzes the users. We can give the access levels for the large scale of intelligent solutions using the software we can provide it. Now, let me talk about the architecture of a biosecurity software. So, what exactly this biosecurity is designed on the which architecture? So, this on the top level, you can able to see the modules which are present in the front of the software whenever you logged in. So, you can able to see the personal access, elevator, visitor, and all other modules which are present in biosecurity software. So with the common business logic, we can able to see this option. So there will be a login control center, which will help you whenever a users will log in from the database. They will identify the person has logged in with their proper credentials or not, and we can able to know the details. Similarly, there will be a system parameters that can help you to set the system biosecurity system information. And with the health monitors, we can identify the performance of the software, how much memory it has been consumed, and others. So there will be a device management where we can come to know with the device application, and the application authorization center, in which you can able to know about the software licensing policy and the application licensing policy, which can help you to for the software licensing part. Then the middle message adapter in the middle that can help you to public the push and subscribe the notification, like message notification verification and message routing. We can help with the help of this biosecurity architecture. Now this biosecurity is, I will explain you how this basic topology is going to work for this biosecurity software. So I have hosted a software of a biosecurity on the main server, and through my network or routers, I have connected different devices. So, for example, we'll start from the left side, as you can see here in the access control. Okay, so we have a devices like multi-door controller, like in Pro controller is there. That is a multi-door controller which you can help to connect for the doors, and you can verified for the multi-door verification. Then we have a standalone access terminal, which is in a part of a green label series. Okay, so green label series, there is a part of a standalone devices that can help you to connect with this access module, like Impulse Plus is there, then ProBio is there. That devices you can able to connect in with this software. Then we having a temperature detection devices, which is uh, speed face V5L TD and face depot ATL TD. That facial recognition device with the body temperature and mask, you can able to connect an access module. Then we having a third party integration. If you want to integrate this software with third party application, so we can use the API, or with the help of middle level table, we can integrate this one with Active Directory. We can help this software to connect with uh, third party software as well. Then we have the attendance module. As you can see in attendance module, what you are going to connect, that is a green label devices which use for attendance purpose, like G3 devices, which is G3 and G3 Pro device, you can connect to time attendance purpose. Then there is a G4 device that can help you to connect with this device. Then to the extreme right, you can able to see the video management. So with this help of this software, you can do video management as well. So what I need to do, we need to just connect the IP cameras, either it's from the ZK or a third party like Hikvision or Dahua. You can connect this software, this cameras to the biosecurity software, and this software, with the help of this camera, you can manage the linkage settings as well. Then is a module where we can face kiosk. Right now you can able to see here is the 143-inch device which we use for verification purpose from a distance. Whenever a person is walking, with the help of this device, we can connect this to the software and we can generate the report, and we can give the access for the users as well. Then on the downside you can able to see the elevator control panel. So in elevator panel, what you are going to do, like we have a hardware which is name of EC10 that can control your elevator for the 10 floors, and if you want to extend, then we have a EX16, so we can use this one. Similarly for visitor management, if you want to do the visitor management, then we have a we can connect few of the models like the batch printer, then card printer, and high document scanner, that will we can connect to the biosecurity software's visitor module, and we can do the process. Then following that, for a consumption purpose, like if employees are going to for the lunch and for other consumption purpose, if we want to use this, then we have a consumption module in biosecurity software as well. Then for the parking solution, we having a parking management module which can help you to know the space, how many space is occupied and how many spaces are free, and plus the charges also we can able to generate in this software. Now let me talk about the information management system. So what exactly the information management system is? So there will be a software hosted on the server, and whenever my employee's face will get captured in a face kiosk for information monitoring purpose, that will get synchronized to the biosecurity software, and in the real-time dashboard we can able to see the views of a person, like how many person are verified with the face, how many persons with the finger and cards, that we can able to know in the information screen management. Now we will talk about the AI device management. So what exactly in AI device management, like here we are going to connect the artificial intelligence devices and the cameras. So for this we have the FI 720, 710 and FC 320 series of cameras. So this FI 710 camera, I will connect with the controller, which is my multi-door controller, which is InBio Pro controller. So with the help of video linkage, we can able to know if the person is trying to tamper the door, and the camera will capture. So we can the controller data will get synchronized with the biosecurity software, and if any unauthorized events will happen, then you will get the message or email notification on the server. Similarly in FI7 FC320 camera, we will connect with the bio server, which will help you to restrict and give access to the person. Like here we can define the this camera will help you to capture the face and will give access accordingly. Like we can do the blacklisting of a person. If his face is verified, then we are not able then he will not get the access in the blacklist information. Now in elevator control module, what we have, that is we have a EC10. So EC10 will be there, which will only control your 10 floors of a building. And if the floors are more than 10, then you can connect 3EX16, that is extendable floors 6 you can connect. So total you can connect 58 floors with the help of EC10 and EX16. So there is a mode like this elevator control, which help you for the, like if you don't want to give access, normal access, you want to restrict the access, so we can help with the EC10. Also this can be help you for the power saving mode also with the help of EC10. So there is a two different modules available in EC10. One is online elevator and second is offline elevator. So what exactly in online mode we have, that in online mode the elevator need to be connected, the EC10 needs to be connected through TCP IP continuously, and whenever a person will comes there, we will define the access, it will get synchronized, and they will swipe the card or they will punch, then they will get the access to the particular floor. So with the same, you can get the video linkage also. If the camera has been connected with the panel EC10, then we can do the video linkage settings as well. In offline mode, what we are doing, like there will be a card in which we are writing the information. Okay, and once the card has been the information has been wrote in the card, you just need to swipe the card, and it will give access to the floor. So here no need to connect your EC10 to the TCP IP continuously. Just need to write the information in the card, and it will get the access. Now we will talk about the parking management. So in parking management, what we have, that is, we are providing a solution in a two ways. One, that is UHF with controller, and the second one we providing with the LPR. So there are two solutions which we are providing in the market. So there will be a boom barrier installed with the UHF and controller. Okay, so whenever a vehicle comes in the range of a UHF, that and the tags will be mounted, so it will read the tags, and the boom barrier, it will get open. Plus, we have this in parking management module. There will be a parking real-time parking lot monitoring as well. So there will be a space of 100 parking, and few of space has been occupied, and how many space are free, that we can able to know in the software. Plus, we will in that we have a payment management option, like if the vehicles are fixed or temporary vehicle, so according to that the payment will be different, and the charges payment will be different, and hour basis also. If you want to define, then you can define the charges on hourly basis in this parking management. Similarly, for LPR, there is an option in parking management where we will connect the LPR with the boom barrier, and once the license plate has been recognized, then it will give access to the vehicle, and they can able to come inside the parking space. With the help of this LPR, we can restrict the vehicle by keeping them in the blacklist. So whenever if the vehicle is in blacklist, they will not allow to pass inside the parking space. Now we will talk about the VMS module, which is a video surveillance module that will help which will help you to enhance the security level and the efficiency. With the help of this VMS, what you can achieve the real-time preview. Like the cameras will be connected, and the security guard can able to see all the cameras in one software with the help of with help of this biosecurity software. You will get the video playback. So if you want to play a particular video of a particular date or specified time, so we can play this video. Then there will be a alarm linkage also, like if you want to connect with the controller or any other things, that linkage will get triggered. There is an option of face monitoring, like the face counts, the face templates will get captured with the help of the cameras, and will get stored in the software, and you can recognize whenever a person comes to visit again that premises, we can capture the face. So we also have a blacklist, white and blacklist of employees, where we can we can differentiate to which employee we need to blacklist, and which need to be whitelist. We can differentiate in this software. So this is the real-time view of a VMS module, where you can able to see the video preview, how many cameras are connected to the software, and similarly you can able to see the option. Uh, you can able to see these options, like video devices, how many devices are connected, face recognition option is there, real-time monitoring is there. So we can preview the videos with the help of this manage VMS module. Now we'll talk about the advanced visitor management. So this module will help for the visitor purpose. If any visitor is coming to visit you, so that time they need to fill few information, like they need to fill the form of a registration, then the document will be get scanned, and the photo identification will be get captured, and the notifications will get sent to the particular person. So once the face this visitor management, how it's going to work, it is going to work on the fingerprint. or it's based on the card or on the facial recognition. This visitor management we can work. So whenever a person have his fingerprint card or a face, we can define his access to the access control, or we can define on the entrance control, like the security flap barrier or turnstile or swing barrier. We can define his access. We can define on the parking space, parking system and elevator system as well. We can define his access level for the visitor. Now in the hotel management, the next module what we have is a hotel management module. So in hotel management module, what we have, we can do the reservations of the users by doing the online reservation method. So or any person is coming to visit the hotel, they can just come into reception, they will book the hotels, and from there we will give the informations, we will provide a card to the guest, and they will get the access to the to the doors and elevator control as well. So with the one single card, they can able to get the access of elevator, the doors, and the room. For the room, they will get the access. If the access has not been defined for the part of the guest, they will not to get inside the room, or they will not get the access for the elevator. So that also we can restrict with this help, with the help of this hotel management software. So if any in this, if any new card is if the old card is lost and new card is there, so we can provide the new card, and the old card data will get deleted from the from the card information. Now we will talk about the time attendance module. So what in here we have is the time attendance module, which is a basic time attendance module in which you can generate the attendance report from the attendance point. Like if you have connected elevator, and from multi-door controller if you have connected, but you want to generate a report from a specific door, so we can able to generate the attendance report by setting the attendance point. There will be a separate attendance device also will be there, like in green label series you will get the G1, G2, that green label time attendance device you can able to connect here. There will be in the time attendance module, there will be a shift and schedules option, like you can set the normal shift and schedules, or if you want to set the flexible shift schedules, that you can also define in the software. Plus you will go for this web-based time and attendance. You will get this here as a web-based time attendance module, which can help you to generate the attendance report from different locations as well by using a public IP address. Now we are going to talk about the access control module. So what exactly we have in access control module, that is you can see in the image here, we have the software hosted in one place where we are connected multi-door controller. Okay, so that multi-door controller, what you can define, which can help you to define give the access for the doors. Okay, and if you want to use it for entrance control solutions, that time also we can use this entrance control purpose as well. So in this access, you will just define the access for the doors or to the entrance product by a specific time limit. Also we can define this one. So what exactly we have in this one, like with InBio Pro, you will get the advanced features such as global anti-passback, global interlock, and global linkage. So what exactly is anti-passback? So the anti-passback will be for is a mandate compulsory punch in and punch out. You should be done, but that anti-passback will be restricted on the single controller. But with this with the help of this InBio Pro, if you want to do the anti-passback settings between the two controllers, so we can use this InBio Pro controller and we can achieve with the global anti-passback settings. Similarly, global linkage also we can achieve if any person is trying to trying to enter the door, though he is not having the access, still they can so if he is trying to access that door, the camera will get capture that image, and it will send a notifications by taking a small pop-up of a video and the image, and it will send a mail notifications to the concerned person. Similarly, we can able to know in the advanced option how many persons has been available, have been accessed that door, plus how many persons have been occupied in that specific room. So we can able to know with the occupancy control, we can able to know if we set the limit, there will be a 10 group of 10 people will be there in that particular group. If 11% trying to enter in the room, they will not get the access with the help of this occupancy control. Now we will talk about the consumption management module. So what we have in consumption management, here we will define the consumption management on the basis of consumer machines, or for if we want for a cash register, or for a subsidiary machines. So we can define this three category in the consumption module. This consumption model, like it will be on the basis of a card. You just need to write the information, like how we do the top up recharge whenever we are traveling in a metro. So we just put some recharge amount, and then we swipe on the security entrance product, and then we come inside, so automatically the balance will get data. Similarly, here also in consumption model we are doing the same thing. There will be a module installed. You just need to swipe it. Automatically, the balance will get deducted according to the food, whatever you have purchased. According to that, it will get deducted. So you can use this one as will be a different modules. Like it will be fixed value mode and amount modes will be there that can help you to get the reports of the consumption module. So this is the hotel management module. So what you will get, so as you can see, when once you logged in the software, then you can able to see the screen of a hotel management. So here here you can create the hotel information, like the hotel name, address, and the details you can enter here. Then you in the room management, you can create the room type, buildings, floor, the details. If you want to put as a deluxe, super deluxe types of rooms, you can put in a room time. Then buildings, if you have a two wings, then a wing, b wing, like buildings you can create. Room management also you can create. So this you can create in the room management. And in card center, what you are going to do, you are going to create the cards for the locks which are mounted on the hotel rooms. Okay, for that every room you need to create one single card, and whenever the guest comes in, you just need to write the information. For suppose if it gets checked in for 3 days in room number 101, so you need to take the card, you need to write the information, and you need to give it to the guest. So for the 3 days the room card will work. If the guest wants to extend his stay, so we can write the information again in the card, and the card has been activated extended for couple of days or 3 days, like that. Now I will talk about the smart parking integrated security solution. So what you can able to see here. So with this help of this security solution, we are going to cover all the modules, all the products which we can use for this to make the solution efficient. Like for the access control, you can able to see we using a multi-door controllers. Here you can able to see the multi inside the premises, we can use this one. For for attendance purpose, we can get it from the G3H machine that can help to generate the attendance of a user. For elevator control, we have the EC10 here that can help you to for the elevator solutions as well. Then for visitor and parking management, so for parking management we have the LPR with the Pro BG 3000 boom barrier. We can use this one. And for access, we can for the visitor access, we can use this restrictions, like entrance control we can give, and which will be mounted with the Elite Pass device that will be mounted. If visitors face is enrolled, they will get the access and they can come inside the premises. So with this all the hardware, there will be only one single software you can use for the solution purpose. Right now, if you want to manage for the building entrance solution, so for the building entrance solution, what you will do, like there will be a parking space will be there. So that parking space you want to manage, like how many space has been occupied and how many space are vacant. So we can help to identify with the help of this solution. Like there will be a boom barrier like CMP 100 or ProBG 3000 will be there with the LPRS solution. So license plate will be get recognized, and you can get the space in the parking premises. Then a visitor, like here will be a visitor management. So if a visitor comes to visit uh, some person in the building, so they will get the access according to the information. They need to scan their documents with the help of the hardware. Then a face has been captured in the device like Proface X. After that, they need to the receptionist will give them the access for the security product, and like entrance control product they will get the access, and for elevator as well they will get the access. So once they will get the access, they will and the visitor will enter in the premises, and they will get the access for the specific floor and for the specific door as well. So this also the software, with one single software we are managing the access, parking and visitor in single software. Now, as we aware about this pandemic solution which we are currently facing of novel COVID coronavirus, which is we are facing. So in the in this biosecurity software, we added one more module, that is MTD module, which is for the mask and temperature detection. So all whatever modules what we have all in one, plus we have one more additional module which is MTD module, that can help you to recognize and generate the face generate the reports of the mask and temperature as well. So as we aware about this uh, COVID is going on, so we can find out the reports. Like there will be a temperature of a body temperature will be high for the users. Right now it is mandatory, like everyone needs to wear the mask and they need to come to their office premises. So with the help of this, so if someone is not wearing the mask or if his body temperature is abnormal, so with the help of this software what we can do, we can achieve the person has wearing a mask or not, plus we can achieve we can able to know whether what his in whenever he is coming in or he is going out, that time his body temperature is abnormal or normal, we can able to know that. So with this MTT module, we are recommending few of the devices such as there will be a Speedface V5000, which is a vertical 5-inch device for temperature detection. Then we have a face report 8LTD, which is 8-inch device that can this both the device will comes with face and palm detection. So you can enroll your face plus you can enroll your palm for verification purpose also. Then in this both the devices what you will get, like you can get the mass detection for the purpose also. So as uh, this two devices, or if we talk about the SBTL 8033, that is a swing barrier for an entrance control we can suggest, with which will be mounted with face report ETL or Speedface V5LTD. So like so with this help of this devices, the facial recognition has been recognized from a safer distance. So the person will not comes in the contact with the device, and which will make the person, like whenever they're trying employees or the person who tries to visit the host, so they will be safe, and hygiene solution we are providing. At there will be a they will not comes in the contact with the device, so it will be a touchless solution as well. So we have DFMD, which is ZK3180SD. On the right side of it, you can detect the temperature as well with the help of this. So this DFMD will be used for two purposes. One for the metal detection. It's a walkthrough metal detector. And the second one, you can achieve the body temperature as well with the help of this model. So now what we have in the temperature mask screening. So once you logged in the software, you can able to see the real time monitoring. So this real time monitoring, which will help you to get the abnormal temperature, or if the person is wearing a mask or not, or if the body temperature is normal, so we can able to come to know it from here. So in this software, there will be a advantage, like there should not be a person needs to be registered. If it's an unregistered person also, you will get the body temperature and the mask detection as well. So this software will be a non-contact measurement to avoid the physical contact with the device. So also, if the body temperature is abnormal, okay, or the person is not wearing any mask, so with from a device we can get the alarm. Like if the temperature is abnormal, you will get the alarm from the device, like the temperature is abnormal, and it will give a sound. So and the with help of this visible face devices, temperature detection device, the verification speed is very fast. You can recognize the face from a safer distance, and you can avoid a social distancing as well. Now let me talk about the biosecurity mobile app. So what exactly we have in the biosecurity mobile app? So the mobile app consists of a different module, like there will be a door management will be there, then a live monitoring will be there, different alarm remote and notifications also you can able to generate it from the here in the software. There will be a self registration window. So if someone is coming to visit you, or someone wants to visit you, then we can do the self registration as well. Then there will be a simple MTD function, means you can recognize you just need to put your health instructions with the help of this application. Now how this employee self declaration will is going to work. So the employee self registration option is there in the software, where you need to enroll the face, okay, and enroll it, and it will goes to the biosecurity software. So if right now everyone is working from a home, but after certain days they will come back to their own office premises, and they will start to reopen their business, and they will start working in the premises. So in this case, what you're going to do, like there will be a employee who needs to fill his health condition each and every time. So instead of manual by putting a form, we given an option in through mobile application, where the QR code will be there on the wall. You just need to print out a QR code, which will get generated from the software. Okay, and the next one, you need to open the mobile application, scan the QR code. uh, the form will get pop up. You need to fill the information and the personal information, which will send it to the manager and review. So what you will get in the health declaration form, like if they have any case, they have any health issue that they need to fill it. If they have any symptoms of fever or cough, so that also we can able to fill it from the mobile application. Plus you can, if the person has visited for past 14 days somewhere in another city, that also he need to mention it here with the help of mobile application. Similarly, for visitor, if visitor is coming to visit you, that time also there will be a QR code will be there, and that's get will get you need to fill the form. You need to fill the personal information. Then the manager or receptionist will review that information, and according to their health condition, they will define them the access. They will define the access level for the visitor, for the entrance, or for the door, or for the elevator. They will define the access, and the visitor will get access using this model. So now we'll talk about what we have in biosecurity V5000 MTD. So biosecurity V5000 MTD, which can help you to get the body temperature and mass detection, plus all other modules we can able to know. So with the help of this one, you can get the you can set the temperature parameter in the software, where you will set the body temperature of a users, and that can help you to define it. Plus if any abnormal temperature is there, then the alarm will get pop up and you will get from the mail. Similarly, in real-time monitoring, now we'll talk about the MTD real-time monitoring. So what you are going to get in MTD management. So here you will get the abnormal temperature. So with the body with the photo. So if the temperature is above normal body temperature, then we will able to get the body temperature with photo. So either it's a registered person or unregistered person, we can able to get the photo. Plus if you can see here masked face, so if someone is not wearing a mask, so that photos also we can able to see it from here. And if the body temperature is normal, okay, and the person is wearing a mask properly, so we can able to get his reports in normal records. So this report we can able to get it from the MTD real time monitoring. So there is a temporary raw record. Raw data will be in MTD module, which can help you to define like the person who entered from which devices he entered, from which door he is entered, then his employee details you can able to get, at what time he have punched, that we can able to see it from the here. Then his body temperature, you can able to see it from here, and plus we can able to get the real time image capture, that photos you can able to see it from here in temporary raw data. If we so now we want to go for the statistical panel, like if you want to know with the help of statistical reports, so we can get the report on the basis of statistics, like this one. If you required how many punches we did today, how many records we done, so today's, or if you want to go for month wise, or if you want to go for week wise, so we can able to get it from this one. Similarly, if you want not for the on the basis of time, if you want to go for the department wise or employee wise, that also we can able to see it from this statistical panel report. There is one more report which is multiple analysis report, that will help you to generate the report on the base of month basis. So in which you can able to know the abnormal or normal body temperature, or if the temperature has not been measured, then we can able to know it from here. Now we giving a API support for this biosecurity MTD module. So for this ZKBioSecurity MTD software, there is a new API which will help you to integrate with the third-party application. So this API is consist of the it consists of temperature, mask, and the instant capture. It means a real-time image capture image also. We can able to know it from the here, and through the API we can integrate with the software. Now we'll talk about the license specifications. So with this, whenever you install the software, by default the 30 days trial period will be there. If you want to connect the software, then you can connect the controllers. There will be a license for the software. Apart from the access module, if you want to add any other modules, then you can use, you just need to contact to our sales team. For the hotel, for LPR, face kiosk, our sales team will guide you for the license policy. So few of the case studies we have done in this with the help of this biosecurity software. So this is a complete office solution. We have done this complete office solution in our ZKTeco R&D office, which is located in Bangalore. So we have an entrance control where on the each floor there will be an entrance control mounted with the facial recognition device. If a visitor comes or the employee who working in that premises, they need to scan the face and they will get the access. Similarly for canting, for consumption, so this canting solution we are going for a consumption purpose, we can use it. Then we have a parking management where we are connected a CMP 100 with LPR. So vehicles will the LPR will recognize the license plate, and according to that it will give access and the barrier will get open. Plus the elevator management where we have installed EC10 on top of a lift. with connected with the reader, and once you punch on the reader, you will get the access for the specific floor which you have defined for that. Then for the guest room, like hotel, so we have made a guest room solution also. So on the door there will be a face reader has been installed, and they just need to show the face and they will get the access in the rooms. Plus a visitor management, if suppose some visitor is coming to visit you, so in the device we have given an option to recognize, capture their face by by doing their self registration option. So that's all about this biosecurity V5000 2.2.0 MTD. If you have any queries, you can drop a mail to india@zkteco.com, or you can visit our website uh, for the products, for the different hardware products for this software, or if you want to go for other solutions of time and attendance, then you can visit us there.